Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to improve the accuracy of tree height and DBH extraction. Normalization is necessary for most of individual tree segmentation functions. However, when trees are growing on slopes, the normalization process may influence tree height accuracy. While you can enable this feature, which utilizes terrain points during segmentation to improve individual tree attributes accuracy. On the main viewer of LiDAR360, you can see the operation icon. Click to open it and select the Forestry Settings tab. In the drop-down menu for tree height, check the Optimize Results using Original Z option to enable this feature. Next, we will perform two segmentation results using the same data. One with the Optimize Results using Original Z option enabled and the other with it disabled. After completing the operation, compare the segmentation results. We can draw a profile on the non-normalized raw data and manually measure the tree height. The current tree height is 16.35 meters. With the setting enabled, the tree height is 16.3 meters. With the setting disabled, the tree height is 17.3 meters. And by comparing the segmentation results with the option enabled and disabled, it is evident that the tree height result with the option enabled is closer to the original data. When the Optimize Results using Original Z option is enabled, the calculation of tree height becomes more accurate. There is also an option for improving DBH extraction accuracy. That's all for the Optimize Results using Original Z. Thank you for watching.